Straight Talk Home Phone provides wireless home phone service using cellular networks. Start by purchasing a Straight Talk Home Phone SIM kit. Insert the SIM into your device and connect it to power. Download the Straight Talk app, scan the QR code on your SIM kit, and follow the prompts to select a plan. Complete activation, which typically takes under 15 minutes and includes an automated call to verify the line. Ensure your device is in an area with a strong cellular signal for optimal performance. Once activated, power on your Straight Talk home phone device and make a test call to ensure it's working properly. Use the Straight Talk app to configure features like call forwarding and voicemail for a personalized experience. Straight Talk Home Phone uses VoIP or LTE 5G networks, offering features like caller ID, call blocking, and portability. Unlike traditional landlines, it doesn't require a wired connection, making it suitable for renters or remote areas. Note that the service operates on Verizon's and AT&T's networks, providing wide coverage with monthly plans starting around $20.